list of modules that we can select and make the currently active, right, encoding the ID on the URL. What we'd like to be able to do here is render the lessons that are associated to a particular module, right? And so to do that, right, we'll need to use the current module, right, and fetch lessons for that particular module, right? Let's see if we have an API for that. I believe we have an API that says modules, right, and then be able to retrieve lessons for that particular module. So let's this allows us to retrieve and also create new ones, right? So let's create a couple of modules, a couple of lessons for this particular module over here. So let's do that. Let's use Postman to do this. Let's see if I already have a create lesson. Let's see, what does that do? Oh yeah, I think that's exactly what I'm looking for. So create lesson. So create lesson here, it uses the generic server, and it allows you to create a lesson for a particular module, right? And just create the different lessons and the title for those lessons. So let's do it for module, this one, Angular, right? Let's create that. Let's copy that. And so we'll create a couple of lessons for that module. And this will be, if it's Angular, we'll do a lesson called Angular routing. And we'll send that. Then create another one, Angular components. Okay, and maybe single SPA, single page applications. Send that. All right, so we have a couple of those. Let's do the same thing for maybe React. So let's create a couple lessons for React. So let's provide here the module ID, and let's create maybe for React, we'll do maybe React components. Okay, maybe we'll do Redux. Okay, maybe ES6 and send that. Okay, we got 3 lessons for one module and 3 lessons for another module, right? And so let's verify that they are indeed working. Right? If I use this ID, right, and I paste it here, and we can retrieve the lessons presumably. There they are: Angular components, Angular routing, and single page applications. Let's see for React. Let's use the ID. Right, and so there they are. So it says Redux, React components, and ES6. All right, so we have data in the remote server. Let's see if we can dynamically render this in our Angular application.